This is ToneBridge, an AI-based application designed to bridge the communication gap between the world and those with speech impairments and hearing disabilities. ToneBridge is meant to be mobile first, meaning that it's accessible by anyone and everyone with a phone. With accessibility first features in mind, ToneBridge can adapt to anyone's needs. First, let's go through the settings. The app ensures that anyone is comfortable with using the app. First of all, there's several different emotion display options. Either you can use emojis and tags, or you can use just emojis, or you can use just tags. There's also several different theme options, ensuring that the app is comfortable for anyone's eyes. There's also one high contrast mode as well, and you can also switch between light and dark mode. There's also several different font size options. This ensures that anyone from either visual impairments to those with just their preferences in mind is comfortable reading the text on the app. There's also several different accessibility options as well, with reduced motion, dyslexia-friendly font option, and also an option to autosave transcripts so you never lose your conversations. There's also an option to download your transcript in case you want to your save your conversations. You can also copy all your transcriptions in case you want to send it to someone. You can share them as well, or you can clear them all in the blink of an eye. And not only is this a speech-to-text app, it's also a text-to-speech app, although it is in its beta version. This allows anyone to communicate with anyone else with several different options, varying from voice selection to volume, speed, and also pitch as well. The app is meant to combine the world, to not split the world between the abled and the disabled. That is the goal of ToneBridge.